In our next question, we're given the three planes as shown, and we want to ask ourselves if any of the normals are parallel, because that's always the first question you ask yourself when you are determining, trying to solve a system with three equations and three unknowns. So, in this case, we see that all three normals are in fact parallel. I don't know why there's a question mark there. It's a statement, it's not a question. All three normals are parallel. So what we then ask ourselves is, are any of the planes coincident? Because our sheet tells us to ask ourselves, once we know that the three normals are parallel, whether the planes are coincident. Well, what we're going to see is that these two planes are coincident, but this third plane is not. When we multiply this plane by 2 and we multiply this plane by 8, what happens is we get the three planes on the left-hand side all being 8x minus 6y plus 2z, but on the right-hand side, two of them equal 20 and one of them is 24. So what we have are two coincident planes and a third parallel non-coincident plane. And so it's impossible for any one point to be on all three of them. So we have the statement that we have an inconsistent system because no point is common to all three planes.